So you would then be doing a straight arithmetic of 25, I mean, 2/3 of 37.
Okay. And that is when the FCT is brought in as a state.
As a state, yes.
But is the FCT a state by law?
By law. Good. So these are the two possible interpretations.
Okay.
Now, the second interpretation, which brings the FCT as part of the states, we need to recognize some few provisions of the Constitution.
Okay.
Section 299 of the Constitution expressly provides that the provisions of the Constitution shall apply to the Federal Capital Territory, Abuja, as if it were one of the states of the Federation. Copiously, that's what the Constitution provides. The Constitution went on in that same section, you know, in paragraph C, to say that the provisions of this Constitution pertaining to the matters aforesaid shall be read with such modifications and adaptations as may be reasonably necessary to bring them into conformity with the provisions. Now, so the Constitution itself especially has stated that the FCT shall be treated as a state. The FCT shall be treated as a state. Now, it went on to say that, you know, if it being considered as a state who exercises executive powers, it vested them in the National Assembly. As a state who exercises executive powers, it vested them in the president. As a state.
Sorry, sir, can you just hold it? Yes. The voice we are hearing, let me put it this way, we are live on Facebook and all the other platforms. So you can just follow now. And the voice we are hearing is bringing all this to us is Professor Joseph Abugu, a senior advocate of Nigeria, a professor of law at UNILAG. Please follow diligently as we decoding all these coded matters. Go ahead.
So the Constitution has made it clear that FCT should be treated as a state. Its legislative powers to be exercised by the National Assembly, its executive powers to be exercised by the President, and its judicial powers to be exercised by the courts created under Section 6 of Section 6 for the states. So therefore, if you take that into cognizance in looking at the provisions of Section 134, subsection 2B, that says that the candidate, the president-elect, must have 2/3 of the votes, and 25% of the votes, 2/3 of states in the federation and the FCT. The more plausible interpretation will be that the FCT is being mentioned here in the context of the FCT being a state. And so you should have a straight 25% to 2/3 of 37. Now, there are a number of reasons why this is the most plausible interpretation of this section.
Go ahead.
Plausible interpretation of this section. One, if satisfying the votes, 2/3 votes in the FCT were to be a distinct and separate qualification, that subsection would have had ABC. Would have had ABC. Would have had, you know, 25, a quarter of the votes in 2/3 of in each of the states in the federation. That would be a B, and then a C would have been a quarter of the votes cast in the FCT. But that is not what is in the Constitution.
The Constitution did not say that.
The Constitution lumped the FCT with the states in paragraph B of that subsection.
Okay, sorry, sir. For those of us who are laymen, if it lumped FCT to that paragraph B, why didn't the language, the word, the written word, they be plus or including or inclusive of? Why the and?
the and actually supports this interpretation. Because and is conjunctive. The courts have, Supreme Court, Court of Appeal have repeatedly interpreted the provision and in a mandatory context to mean that it is conjunctive. Okay, it is conjunctive, and conjunctively, when you lump the 36 states with FCT, and Section 299 says that the FCT shall be treated as a state, then it's straightforward. Then more interpretation. Then a second reason why this is also the most plausible is the provision of Section 133 and 134 with respect to the spread of votes, obtaining a quarter of the votes in a third of the states in the federation is premised on the fact that, the president-elect should have the votes of a spectrum, a fairly representative spectrum of the electorate in the federation. Across. Okay? Now, if that is so, it will be absurd to say that if a candidate wins, gets two-thirds of the votes in 35 states or even in 36 states and doesn't get it in the FCT, that he will not be declared president. That will be the height of absurdity.
It will be absurd to accept that.
Yes. Okay. Then that is reason number two. Why the other interpretation will not hold. Reason number three is that to say that if a candidate obtains majority of votes in all the other states, if it does not get 25% of the FCT, it cannot be declared president, is to elevate the vote of the electorate, an electorate in the FCT, over and above the vote of an electorate in Lagos State or in Jigawa State.
Sorry, can you interpret that a little deeper?
Okay. Now, if you say that the candidate must have 25% of the votes in FCT, and if he doesn't get it, he's not declared president. You are saying that Abuja has a special status than Lagos or any other state. And two, that a vote cast in Abuja is superior to a vote cast in any other state. You will be elevating the quality of the votes obtained in the FCT over and above the votes cast in any other state of the federation. Again, that will be another absurdity.
Okay. Now, some of your colleagues, Prof, have come to tell us that until the 25% is attained from federal capital territory, are they misreading or this is just the bushfire that the law practice?
For the reasons I've given you, anyone who holds the position that the president-elect must have garnered 25% of the votes in the FCT, and if otherwise he is not qualified, it is an error in the interpretation of the law, in interpretation of the Constitution.
An error in interpretation of the law.
Yes.
Okay,
that is my position.
Thank you very, very much. I think that's a very good
job. In the context of the submission, I think Bola TINUBU Ahmed Bola, or which is the proper order, has satisfied the requirements of Section 134, subsection 2, A and B.
Okay.
And is therefore properly declared president-elect.
Okay. Thank you for that. Because we cannot take a process here for granted. Let us try to move fast, see one or two things we can solve about this. The president of the Senate, Senator Ibrahim Ahmad Lawal, only just yesterday, 28th of February 2020, was telling us that the law that created beavers, which the whole world has celebrated, did not empower beavers to transmit, but to transfer. And When manual accreditation and collation, counting and collation of results may be done, which many people say, no, you cannot be so because when you conducted to trial in our state, even the preliminary ZPAD in those days, it is transmitted from source through these beavers. Why can't you do it? But the lesson we started learning yesterday from Ahmad Lawa in the Senate was that we should look it properly. What was created and given to us has no power to transmit, but only power to transfer. Again, to us, that is another something that is not well understandable. You will call it lacuna, as you said here the other day. Now, what provision of beavers in the law, the electoral law, assigned by the president, which made it to become law now, is the beavers to transfer or to transmit. That's number one. What is the legal interpretation that brings differences between transferring and transmitting? That is number two. Then number three. If in the previous trials, it was beavers that communicated it from the polling unit directly to INEC portal. Why this one would accept manual collation and the same is being accepted by INEC?
Guru,
do you understand what
I think there is a lot of confusion and misunderstanding about what the beavers are supposed to do and what indeed happened in the number of polling units across the states. Now, you see, beavers serve the first primary and exclusive purpose. And that primary and exclusive is accreditation. If you are not accredited and captured by the beavers, you are not entitled to vote.
Yes.
So if therefore the beavers in the polling unit captured only 100 voters, and the paper ballot when counted then showed 105 over voting, that polling unit election is cancelled. Now, to a reasonable extent, this rule was applied in this election. The second part is if, as a result of snatching of electoral boxes or violence in a particular unit, the beavers did not complete its job, and voting did not proceed to conclusion of counting and recording, that result is also cancelled. To a large and reasonable extent, these two primary conditions for the beavers to perform its primary role of accreditation were adhered to in this election. Now, let's now come to transmission of results. You see, transmission of results, even in the manual of the INEC, had two legs. Both manual and electronic. Let me tell you about the manual. The results are recorded into the 8D or 8C, whatever it is, which is the result sheet. All the results are entered there in manual form. Okay.
They are recorded manually.
They are recorded manually by the returning officer of the polling unit. Okay. After counting the votes in the presence of everyone and party agents. Then those results are then recorded, and the party agents sign that report.
All these are manual exercises.
And then copies of that is then given to the party agents. And the original will be taken by the returning officer to the collation point. The results have been transferred manually. The second aspect, which is the electronic one, you see, because the beavers did not contain the number scored by each of the candidates. It has only recorded the number of votes that are accredited. So the beavers,
the number of votes scored by each candidate is never recorded by the beaver.
No, it's not. The beavers only collects accredited data. So when that result has been recorded in that form, the returning officer then take a snapshot of it on the beavers.
Like I could do with my
telephone. Your phone. Then that is the so-called transmission. So you can then see that if we live in a climate where network fails, even in our daily transactions, you want to do a POS transaction, network disruption. You are in the middle of a phone call, network disruption. And so you're conducting elections in a remote center or even in a city center, and there's network failure. So the beavers takes the picture, but it's unable to transmit it. So do you then condemn the result of that unit? But the system had made provision. They had copy, which the beaver is supposed to snap and transmit. It's available. So if you want to make an issue, you can only make an issue if what was eventually in my polling unit, at the end, the beavers couldn't transmit. Yes, the beavers couldn't transmit. So we all then decided to appoint one person to follow them to INEC collation point and make sure that when they get there, their technician make sure that it is transmitted in addition with the manual. So the important thing is that the results were recorded in the requisite form. And if you look at it, it's this same form that all the state returning officers, are presenting at INEC headquarters by way of tally. So that form, that manual transmission of transfer or transmission, whatever you call it, is intrinsic to the process. So you cannot say that results were collated at the polling unit. The form was filled and signed by party agents. Party agents each have a copy of it. But because the snapshot of it was not captured immediately by the beavers and sent, that will nullify the result of that polling unit. That would be absurd. Okay. The system itself provided for both the manual backup, which is record, and the fact that the results can be transferred at that instance to the INEC database. If you transmit any other thing to the INEC database, the polling agents have that one they took at the polling unit to use to interrogate whatever is transferred. Okay. So the system has an inherent check and balance mechanism.
This brings me to another question. Listeners, we are following on Facebook and everything this discussion concerning the results and the announcement of Bola TINUBU as president-elect. Please follow Facebook everywhere. Prof, I know you're a teacher of law. You are not a teacher of finance. But permit me to ask this question. Where therefore is Nigerians' joy beginning that, we have moved from analog to digitalized system in our electioneering? With these facts we are raising, what President of the Senate said yesterday. Where is that joy? Was our joy misplaced? If it was misplaced, because INEC did not do enough education of voters, educating voters of this. What happened?
Our expectations high. The expectations were to the effect that haven't recorded the results in the presence of everybody, rather than wait for the manual movement of that result sheet to the collation center to be sent electronically. That's the expectation. That's the idea. Now, but we know the problems of all the GSM networks in this country. The thing works with the internet. If there is a failure, there is no way INEC will guarantee that. I'm not holding brief for them, but there's no way they guarantee that all the networks are going to function optimally. So the first and primary record of the results of a polling unit is the one counted and recorded manually. Because the votes were not done electronically. So at the end of the polling, the Beavers does not have the vote for each candidate.
It was not made the possibility of accreditation.
Exactly.
Identify that this belongs to the person who said
that's his primary function. That's his primary function. So the rest is what any phone snap it and send it to the database. That's all. Okay. Even when it gets to the database, somebody still has to look at it and then pick the details and enter it. You get what will be sent will be a picture of the spreadsheet result. So somebody at the control room,
will still look manually,
enter it manually,
and cross-check it manually.
Exactly.
Okay, Prof. Would it be safe then to say that we are not yet a digitalized age as far as our electoral process is concerned?
Guru, you see, our voting is still manual. In US or in some parts of Europe, most parts of Europe, you go to an election principle. Where you do your digital voting. Just like you go to the bank, when you fill a teller, put it into that small machine and impress a code on it. You vote electronically, and then there is a card, which is the backup. That is why when allegations of manipulation come, it's okay. Let us count the ballot. Okay. So we haven't gotten to that point yet. Our voting is still manual. Our counting is still manual. So someday we'll get there. But reasonably, we're making steady progress.
So those who almost took down the process of releasing the results on thereabout. With this explanation, can we say therefore that it is lack of understanding of exactly what the position we had with the law that was responsible for that?
There is a lot of distrust. We don't believe in ourselves. We don't believe in the system. And so at the emergence of any little hiccup, we cry foul. That is simply what has happened. And a lot of people also have not taken cognizance of the fact that after that so loud protest, those results that have not been streamed into the platform before, then started getting into the platform because the hard copies are there. The hard copies have been submitted. So what the protest was all about was that the streaming was not done as at the time when it ought to have been done. But the hard copies were there. So they started streaming them.
What would you...
if anything, that protest achieved something. Because now you can go to the database, you are contesting and challenging the figures with respect to any of the elections. You can now go there, download what is there, and compare them with the hard copies that were brought by your agent. And then you can go to court.
Okay, as a lawyer, as a professor teaching the law, do you see much litigation coming with this declaration of Bola Tinubu as the president-elect?
Well, Guru, increasingly the courts have thrusted into the arena of the electioneering process. So that you see the courts now having to be the final arbiter in deciding who is elected and who is not elected. That has led to a spate of litigation all over the country. Now, but it shouldn't be so. It shouldn't be so. The ballot should determine the winner of an election. But what is happening is that everybody doesn't want to accept the result of the ballot, except of course President Goodluck Jonathan. And for that, you know, he became a renowned world personality, president. You know, he took on the role of an elder statesman and became an ambassador, you know, for peace all over Africa and all of that, because of that singular thing. Okay, so it is my fervent prayer that the presidential candidates, you know, will be able to sit back and say, look, could I really have won this election? Why do I want to make the court the one to decide for me whether I won this election or not?
Okay. Well, thank you for that piece of revelation. There's a question I will throw to you. Kayode, do you have any questions?
Our listeners have, I was going to ask, but the questions they have are a lot. So when you're done,
I will allow the last question that I will ask you so that listeners can comment. What would you recommend to INEC as a form of amendment to the electoral law, so that same can be debated at the National Assembly and pass off for asset of the president, that could move us from analog into a digitalized system?
I don't think that we need to amend the Electoral Act for a fully electronic voting system. We're not right for it. We are not right for it.
Is that not your personal judgment?
That's my personal judgment.
But if therefore, are we just to wait in this island of non-digitalization?
It is progressive movement. You can see we have progressed from one form of verification to the beavers type of verification, which as far as I'm concerned has been very effective in this election.
Wouldn't you want us to move into the...
We are not right for it yet. Technologically, we're not right for it yet.
I think you are owing me a lot of questions, but let me respect those who are issuing and speaking about. Please, sir, prepare yourself to receive.
Let's listen to the
yes. We have a lot more messages here with questions. I think we should go there. The Guru, what do you think, sir?
Okay, comment shortly, then question.
Yes. Okay. I don't know where to start from. Good morning. Okay. Good morning, Oluwakari and the Guru. The Guru, please, my concern here is the word "and." If the FCT is treated as a state according to the guest explanation, why the word "and"? And if the word "and" have anything to do according to the Constitution, the candidate won every other place and fails to win FCT. Where is the position of the word "and"? I think that is the answer. Exactly. All right. Good morning, Lagos Talks. Desmond from California. What is literal or golden rule? Yeah, from California.
I celebrate you. Yeah. All the way from California. And you have 8 hours behind us.
Yeah. And you're awake now.
You're awake.
Blessings. What is literal or golden rule in the interpretation of Section 134 of the Constitution? Why did the draftsman enshrine as a requirement a quota votes required across the country to win a presidential election? I think that was answered, but maybe we missed that.
Just to point out, when you say literal, in other words, read it literally and give it the ordinary meaning. Okay? That's the literal rule. And I have just posited that even if you read it literally, it actually means the states in the federation with the FCT as a state.
All right. Now,
then if you apply the golden rule, I've given you reasons. The golden rule is, will it lead to absurdity? What was the, how do we give it a much more purposeful meaning? And that's why I said, if the legislator, the drafters of the constitution had wanted a third leg of the constitution, qualification, it would have been repeated. C would have been third, 25% of the votes of the FCT. They didn't do so. And then I've also referred you to section 299, and I've also referred you to the absurdity that will arise if you say that the candidate must win the FCT, meaning you can win 35 states, lose the 25% of the FCT, and not that would be a manifest absurdity.
All right. The Guru, good morning, sir. Help me ask the guest, the professor, does the law allow the declaration of a winner when there are reports of irregularities on the process? Should such irregularities be addressed on, before, or after declaring a winner?
Again, I see a lot of misunderstanding about what the national returning officer, which is the chairman of rule, and the rule of the World Collation Center and the State Collation Center. You see, it is at the World Collation Center that the polling officer presents his BMAS. That is where he presents it.
Okay.
And the figure that is there is captured vis-a-vis the hard report that he has brought. That is where, and you see, the party agents are present at that collation center. Where what is the
having countersigned what happened
at the polling unit? They are there at the collation center representing their parties. So that is the point where a discrepancy between what is in the machine and in the paper can be pointed out and rectified. If there is inconsistency, the collation officer there tells the returning officer of the unit, please, you and your agents go and sort this out before you bring it. So they sort it out before they bring it. So it is that report that goes to the state collation center. The state collation center, okay, does not have the machine with them to interrogate. It is the report that has been brought that they are left with. Evidence and authenticated by the agents who are also there. So the state then collates all of this and takes it to the national.
Okay, sir. I think that's a let's rush one or two. Because
all right.
Open your phone line to take one or two.
Okay, sir. There's a message from Lithuania that I'd like to read to you. It says, Harry from Lithuania says, "Good day, Lagos Talks. Professor, please, in a situation where the real result with the party agent was manipulated and the actual figure was not recorded, what is the legal implication and the interpretation?" Harry from Lithuania.
Well, equipped with those facts, the candidates should be heading to the tribunal.
Okay, that's enough. Yeah, go ahead.
All right. Let's, like you said, let's open up the phone line.
Yes,
and just get so it won't be unfair. Let our viewers work here. Hello, caller. Good morning. Hello. Good morning to you, sir.
And good morning to the gentleman.
You're right.
My name is Mr. Moses. I'm calling from Guru.
Okay, sir.
So, yes, I was the one that sent the message that said the arm, or the position of the arm.
Yeah, okay.
So, my own is, I want to make some observation or recommendation.
Go ahead, please.
So,
real quick, 30 seconds.
We are qualified for electronic voting. So, first of all, the major act that made the arm. because we knew that hand is paralyzed. So that's number one. Number two, the accreditation process. It should be made so that once you are accredited, you put your paper there and then the machine takes you immediately. That's number three. Number three is when you vote, you are not the agent that what you vote and record immediately, not putting it to the box. After the vote.
All right. Thank you. Even if they still dump in boxes. And again, I think I know I'm not a lawyer, but I think as Nigerians, you should know that there are terminologies used in different professions. Yes. Not everybody can read the contract and understand. That's why you're advised to get a lawyer. So if you need to get a lawyer to interpret your contract, how much more the Constitution? Hello, caller. Good morning.
Good morning.
Hello, Daddy.
No problem. I'm glad
Go ahead.
I've really had a tough day. I actually traveled all the way from the United States to Nigeria to come back.
Okay.
I was actually in California. I mobilized people while there. I was communicating with my people in Nigeria. And we voted. And unfortunately, our vote was rigged from us and given to other people. How do you think we'll feel? Concerning the beavers, you will see, instead of having a result, you see a ties. Somebody snapped a ties and uploaded it in the beavers. You also see the result of a Nasarawa in Lagos State portal or local government. So what would you say about that? How would you address that in court? And the way they make those result paper, city pets everywhere. I still don't get it. You just purposely suppress the people because you have the money.
All right. Thank you so much for that. Hello, caller. Good morning. Hello. Good morning.
Hello. Yeah, good morning.
Yes, sir.
Good morning. Good morning.
Morning.
Thank you to my name is Damilare. Calling from Lagos. I want to thank the speaker for doing justice to educate Nigerians. Thank you, not cost anything. I thank you for bringing this particular person who is not biased by one side or to the other side, taking it with ability. Thank you, God bless. Thank you for that. Nigeria is learning lesson right now. Somebody from nowhere have been put in the front corner. That's a very great. Then the fact that we're not even letting it for an OB, and right now in this present, what is not and get that what he has been make no
All right. Okay.
Hello.
Yeah, we can hear you. Thank you so much for that. We appreciate it.
Yeah, we can hear you. Thank you so much for that.
Like 2 minutes to make room for the news.
Like 2 minutes to make room for the news.
Yes, of course. Professor, the last question is that.
The last question.
What made you so convinced that you are not ripe for electronics? In 30 seconds.
30 seconds. Electronic voting. You need to guarantee the existence of power. How is our
electricity?
Power situation? There are many communities in this country that haven't had light for 2-3 years.
Not this country. There are many areas in Lagos that
not going far.
What is the state of our internet system networks?
Thank you very much. I must appreciate you, Professor Joseph Abugu, Senior Advocate of Nigeria and the Professor of Law at UNILAG, for coming to share your experience with us. We've told you this is live on Facebook. Please, this is what we try to do in Lagos, because it's the best. It's your diamond radio station at all times. So tune in continuously, you will hear the best, and the best that you will never meet us with. Follow me, Twitter, Follow me. Twitter is Godwin. At Godwin is my Beavers wrong? The one.
No, it's verified. No, it's verified. You're accredited. You can go ahead.
Probably not translated.
Not translated.
Facebook is Godwin Etakibuebu, of course, and there is another page created in Facebook for discussions like this, which is called Vetra. Visit my website, which is www.godwintheguru.com, and of course, YouTube channel is Godwin the Guru. Professor, once again, I want to thank you and appreciate you. God will bless you more for giving us this time. I want to thank you because we are celebrating. Handing the camera, I want to appreciate all of you. Very beautiful. The Guru signs off for now. For now.
Yes, for now. For now. Anything can happen.
Until we meet again, please keep yourself out of trouble. And finally, congratulations to Bola TINUBU for becoming the president-elect. And by 29th of May, this a few hours from now, you'll be sworn in. But please be a proper president.
Thank you.
Govern us well, lead us well, police us well. The day is come to an end. Let's make room for the midday news and news at 12. My name is Oluwakade. Thank you for being a part of this. Thank the Guru for extending my time by 1 hour, staying in the studio with him. Follow me on all major social. I'm available on social media as I am IPOSU on Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram. Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram. I'm available as I am IPOSU. Let the conversation continue. Whatever you do, make sure that you avoid violence. That wouldn't lead us anywhere. The president has come, and except the other people go to court. Keep safe. This is Lagos Talks 91.3 FM.
Let's take a picture.
All right, sir. This is my tie, sir. This is my tie, sir. What do you mean?
Is it not good?
Let me just see.
Okay, let me check out with my let me check out with my brother.
Thank you. Thank you.
Very.
So you did more than justice.
You did the final justice.
Nice meeting you, sir. Enjoy the rest of your day. Please call me. What's her name? Paula. Paula.